Rain at the right time and place in the California desert can carpet sandy expanses of this region with pink flowers. What is responsible for this showy display? It's Abronia villosa, or sand verbena. This annual plant forms a prostrate or low-growing mat on sandy desert floors. It is common in the Mojave and Sonoran deserts. The flowers of Abronia villosa are bright pink in tight clusters of 15 to 35 flowers. Look closely at each flower, and you will see that the pink flowers have white centers. The anthers and stigma are included, which means they are not protruding outside of the pink perianth. The opposite of included is exerted, in which the anthers and stigma extend beyond the corolla so they are visible. Looking at the flowers from the side, you will see that the long fused perianth tube is glandular hairy. The perianth is the showy, non-reproductive part of the flower. Abronia villosa is a member of the Nyctaginaceae, or 4 o'clock family. A characteristic of the 4 o'clock family is the unique fruit structure called an anthocarp. As the fruit matures, the base of the perianth persists around the ovary to form the anthocarp. The upper perianth shrivels and falls off, leaving behind the characteristic hardened beak of the fruit. In these developing fruits, you can see the beak beginning to form. In Abronia villosa, the anthocarp has 3 to 5 wings with prominent raised veins. The leaves are triangular ovate to round with entire margins. Both sides of the leaves have sticky glandular hairs. Leaves are opposite but unequal in size. This is unusual. Opposite leaves are typically equal in size, but in Abronia villosa, one leaf of each pair is larger than the other. In this pair, here is the bigger leaf, and here is the smaller leaf. So now you know one of the plants responsible for the pink carpets in the desert. Come take a look for yourself at the spectacular early spring display put on by Abronia villosa, the sand verbena. Learn more about the plants you'll find in California by following the Jepson videos.